Heroes Police Possibility. There are two heroes that we met today, Ma'am and Miss Sir Abdul Hilal. They are very humble and professional. Respect. Thank you very much for the two of them. And the people inside the supermarket, like the Kuwait police and all the supermarket ally personnel, thank you for serving us. You are all truly heroes. We are grateful for people who take time in putting these tags for the social distancing and for the people who are in the supermarket assisting all of us. We are very polite, respectful, and you can never feel that they are proud. No, they are very humble. Thank you to the Kuwait police who assisted in the arrival. As you can see, they are taking our temperatures and they are checking our temperature from the forehead and from the arm. Heroes die also like Bishop Camilo. He has led the Catholic Church, and I myself have experienced that he is a very good bishop in the community of the Catholics. Ministry closes shops. The preventive measures that was taken by the ministry announcing it to the public should be followed. So there are lots of shops closed, like these two shops now I've seen while walking, that there are two shops that were closed by the ministry. So see you again for next videos and stay safe everybody.